Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are continuing with our chapter perimeter and area. Today we are going to discuss about the circumference of the circle. Do you know the word perimeter? That is the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. And in term of a circle, the perimeter is circumference of the circle. This is the circle and the circumference is the length of the boundary of this closed figure. This boundary length is known as circumference of the circle. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r, where pi is constant, its value is fixed, 22 by 7 or 3.142, up to 2 decimal place it is 3.14. Usually we take 22 by 7 until it is not mentioned in the question. And r is the radius of the circle. Now the formula is C circumference 2 pi r. In term of diameter, 2r into pi, and 2r is what? Twice of radius is diameter. The formula is pi d. If diameter is given, we can directly find out the circumference by pi d. The first question I am taking here, the diameter of a wheel is 1.4 meter. Diameter is given of a wheel is 1.4 meter. We find circumference. We have to find the circumference of the circle. Circumference. Now, we know the circumference of the circle is in the term of diameter. That value is pi d. The pi is 22 by 7 and diameter is given to us 1.4. It is, we can cut 1.4 by 7, 0.2, and 22 into 0.2 is 4.4 meter. So we have taken out the circumference directly by pi d when the diameter is given to us. Now the question, find radius of the circle if circumference of the circle is given to us 176 centimeter. We all know now the circumference is 2 pi r. What is given to us, circumference, that is 176. The value of pi is known to us, 22 by 7, and r is the only variable left in this question. So we can find the value of this r. We'll take this all constant term to LHS. 7, 2 and 22 will go for division. 2 8s are 16, 24. 22 4s are 88. 7 4s are 28 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Now the next question, the radii of two circles are in ratio 2:3. What is the ratio of their circumference? What is given to us? The radius, the ratio of the radii of two circles. As we have already discussed, when something is ratio is given to us, what does it mean? Means they are the multiples of a common number. First radius is the second multiple and the second radius is the third multiple of that common number, and we have taken that common number be x. If you are taking that common number be x, the radius of first circle, I am going to name it as r1, radius r1 of first circle. If that number be x, then radius will be 2x, second multiple of that x. And radius r2, now I am going to mention it, of second circle, that will be 3x because they are in given ratio 2:3. Now we have to find the ratio of their circumference. Circumference of first circle, two pi r. We know where r is 2x. 2 pi into 2x, that is 2 2s are 4 pi x. And now the circumference of second circle, the value r1, we are going to put it r1 here, 2 pi r2, the value of r2 we know 3x, and now 2 3s are 6 pi x. We have to find their ratio. The ratio of their circumference, ratio, first circle, the circumference is 4 pi x and the second circle 4 pi x. X cut gaya and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 और pi से pi cancel हो गया. What is left? 2/3 means 2:3. If the radii are in the ratio 2:3, the circumference will be in the same ratio 2:3. Now the next question. The moon is nearly 3,85,000 km away from the earth. It takes a round of earth every month. The moon takes a round every month. How much distance it travel in 1 month? This is earth and this is moon. Now this distance is 3,85,000. Now moon completes one round around the earth in 1 month. This is the one complete round he is taking around the earth. And if we want to find this distance, the covered by the moon is the circumference of this bigger circle. The outer, the distance covered in the one complete round is known as its circumference. And if we want to take out the circumference of this bigger circle, what this is? This is the radius of the circle, which is 3,85,000 kilometer. So now radius of the circle, if you have to draw this diagram also to make this concept more clear. 3,85,000 kilometer. And now we have to find the circumference, because circumference is the distance covered in one round, this complete round. Circumference of this circle 2 pi r, 2 into 22/7 into 3,85,000. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 5s are 35. 44 into 55,000. It's 1 2 3. 24,20,000 kilometer is the distance covered by the moon in one round of earth. We are going to mention the distance covered by moon in 1 month. Kilometer. Now the next question. The radius of a wheel of a bus is 0.70 meter. How many revolutions will it make in covering 22 kilometer? This is a wheel. The radius is given to us in meter, 0.70 meter. Now if this wheel cover a complete revolution, this in one round, how much distance it will cover in one revolution is equal to its circumference. That is the distance. This distance we know, that is the circumference of the circle. Now radius of the wheel 0.70 meter. So we can find out the circumference, that is the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into 0.70, 0.10. If you want to solve it like this, 10/100, you can do it. It's 4.4 meter. It's your wish. If you want to like it as 7/10, 70/100, and then simplify it, it's up to you how you are going to solve it. Now, we have taken out the distance covered by the wheel in one round. Now we have to find how many revolutions it will make in covering 22 kilometers. So we are going to apply the unitary method now. In unitary method, we have to keep this thing in our mind. Which thing we have to find out? We have to find out how many revolutions. So we'll take it into RHS. Now what is given to us? This distance covered in one revolution. Wheel covered 4.4 meter distance in how many rounds? One round. One revolution. If you want to write it as one revolution, you can write it. One revolution. Now we'll cover 1 meter distance in 4.4 meter, and now we have to going to convert this 22 kilometer into meter, because we have taken here meter. So we'll covered 22,000 meter distance in how many revolution? 4.4, 44/10 into 22,000. It will become 10/44 into 22,000. If you want to directly cut it, 44 5s are 220. It will become 500 into 10. That is 5,000 revolutions. So in 5000 revolutions, this wheel covered the distance 22 kilometer. Now the home assignment for today. You have to complete two question number 1 to 8, worksheet 5, chapter 11. Worksheet 5, chapter 11.